Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and hello if you're new. Make sure that you subscribe before you leave, and that way you'll never miss out on another reading. I do free pick a card readings every Friday on my channel, and sometimes I like to throw in a few in the middle of the week like today. So in today's reading, we're going to be looking at April. So April is already here, and we're going to be looking at what's going to go on in April for you, what's going to come in, what are you going to attract, what are you going to let go of, and all of that good stuff. So the first thing you're going to do is pick a card. So you're going to pick card pile number 1, card pile number 2, card pile number 3, card pile number 4. Whichever one you're drawn to, whichever one jumps out at you. And before we get into the reading, I wanted to share with you guys some of my new pieces on my store. I have a lot more new bracelets. These are handmade crystal bracelets by me, and they are charged under the energy of the new moon and the full moon. And I also sell crystals that are handpicked by me as well. I wanted to share with you guys something that's new on my store. So I started making these bracelets that actually have a mantra engraved in them. So there's a very, very powerful mantra engraved in these bracelets, and they're up on my store right now. The mantra is Om Mani Padme Hum, and it's a very, very powerful mantra that actually blesses your body as you put it on, as it touches your skin. And these have all been charged under the energies of the full moon as well. So head to my store if you guys want to purchase jewelry, but let's go ahead and get started on the reading. So for everybody that picked card pile number 1, let's go ahead and see what is coming in April for you. Okay, so we have Lemuria returns, surrender to rest and sleep, ascending the mountain, and then we have the Empress. Okay, so in the month of April, there's going to be a lot of spiritual connections. You might be meeting new spiritual people. You might be just doing a lot more things that have to do with your spirituality. You're gonna like explore it more, and also you're gonna find like a new community of spiritual people. You're just gonna get really, really in tune with your inner voice, with your higher self, and it's all just gonna flow naturally into your life. And something else that is going to be happening in April is a lot of rest and sleep for you. I feel like April is going to be a time that you will get to relax a little bit. Things might have been really, really hectic, and you might have even like experienced kind of a burnout, like you just overworked yourself. And in April, you'll finally get a chance to relax, and things will kind of slow down a little bit in April, whereas you can enjoy your own self and actually even hear your own thoughts. So to prevent burnout, you have to slow down. Honor your need for quiet time and peaceful sleep to rejuvenate your mind, body, and spirit. So I know that sometimes we get caught up in this thought that like we have to work, like constantly be working. If we're not working, we almost feel guilty for not working. And in April, it's a time for you to not feel so guilty when you're not working or you're not busy, to allow yourself to give yourself permission to just relax and just do nothing. Like, it's okay. And ascending the mountain, keep going forward. Don't lose hope. You know, a lot of this work that you've been putting in, and you're not really seeing the results of all of the stuff that you're doing, all the energy that you're putting into something. And the message here for you is just to keep going. What you need to do is just to relax, to let the energies relax. And in April, you'll get a chance to do that. But you know, also keep doing what you're doing. And also the Empress. So in April, you're going to see the fruits of your labor. A lot of abundance is going to come in April. Creative projects are going to come into fruition. They're going to come to like, they're going to come into reality. Like, some of the ideas that you've been having are really going to come into reality. You're really going to get opportunities to like create whatever it is that you've been meaning to create. You're really going to get opportunities to express yourself creatively. You're going to get a lot of opportunity to really express who you are. And so that's the message in April. So a lot of relaxing that you need to be doing in April, and also just stop overworking and stressing yourself out, because there's going to be abundance coming in April, and a lot of creativity and a lot of passion is going to be, there's something that's going to happen in April that's going to invite a lot of passion into your life. So get super excited. If you guys want to book a full in-depth reading with me, you can do so on my website, and I'll leave that link down below. Now, for everybody that picked card number 2, let's go ahead and read what is going on in April for you. So we have reflections, surrender to miracles, cleansing waters, and the star. This is a really beautiful, beautiful spread. Reflections. These cards actually go really, really well together, and you got 3 cards that the main color is purple. Purple is a color of leadership. Purple is a color of power. So in April, you're going to be really coming into your own power, your own authenticness. You're really going to get to know yourself. Like reflections, you're really going to get to see who you are. And something else that you're going to realize is in April, be mindful of your thoughts, because you are on this journey. You're on this spiritual journey where you're connected to the universe in such a way right now that your energy is very strong and vibrationally very, very strong. So whatever you think is going to actualize. What you contemplate can actualize. So that means that whatever you're thinking can come into real life. You're going to attract and manifest your thoughts. So be careful what you think about. Make sure that you're thinking as much positive things as you want, and make sure that you're surrounding yourself and your thoughts of things that you want to attract and things that make you happy and things that you want to manifest, because you have a powerful energy in the month of April and you want to use it to your advantage, and you want to surrender yourself to miracles. So be open to miracles occurring in your life. Feel and know that these events are real. Let go of any resistance, banish any doubt that miracles can happen. So don't have this attitude where you just feel like life is unfair and you never get the upper hand in life. Life sucks. You want to get these thoughts out of your mind, because they are low vibrational thoughts. And in April, what's going to happen in April is you're just naturally going to come into this place within yourself where you're going to have more positive thoughts than negative thoughts. You're going to have more manifestations in April than you've seen in a long time. And so something that you might want to do is to do a cleansing ritual on yourself, or do something where your energy and your mind gets cleansed. Purification activates vibrant life force. So this could be taking a bath, going for a swim. You could go to the beach, you could go to the lake, you could take a nice shower, and you could use like an herbal rinse. What I like to do is boil some rosemary and peppermint, and then I like to let that cool down, strain it, and then after I take a shower, I just rinse myself with that, and it really cleanses your energy and just invites a lot more positive energy. It really helps to clear your chakras and your energy field. You don't even have to do that. You can light sage around your body. You can light incense around your body. Do something where your energy and your body is just being cleansed, and it's really going to be beneficial for you. And also in the month of April, it seems like you're going to be the focal point of attention. Like, people are going to gravitate towards you. The energy that you're going to be giving off in April is going to be very attractive. So you're going to start to attract things, people, situations, abundance. So something that you need to keep in mind is to really watch your thoughts, because April is a very high energy month for you, where you're going to be manifesting whatever you're thinking about. So I hope that that gave you clarity and got you excited for April. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to book a full reading with me, you can do so on my website, and I'll leave that linked down below. Now, for everybody that picked card number 3, let's go ahead and see what comes up for April for you. So we have Atlantis. That's one of my favorite cards. Surrender unhealthy relationships, a voyage of the heart, and the moon. Wow. Okay, so April is going to be a month of letting go of toxic shit, and also inviting a lot of love into your life. You're going to start to see clearly who genuinely is there for you and who genuinely loves you in the month of April. A lot of love is going to come into your life, and even, the real genuine love that you have in your life already is going to be enhanced and strengthened in the month of April. And also, there's going to be like a lot of success and fast success. So you might have been working towards something, whether it was in your job, whether you have your own business, whether you want to start your own business, a project you wanted to start, a relationship you wanted to start. Something is going to come into fruition very, very fast. So just keep yourself ready for some kind of a change, but it's definitely a change that you've been wanting to invite in your life. So that's going to happen really, really fast in April. And something that is another aspect of April is going to be you surrendering an unhealthy relationship or unhealthy relationships. Let go of relationships that don't serve you, including unavailable or toxic people. You don't deserve to be treasured. Wait, let me reread that. You deserve to be treasured by others and to be surrounded by positive people. So in April, you're really going to start to see your energy. You're really going to start to connect with, you know, flowing energy. You're going to start to connect with your own flow, your own self, your own spirit. And when this happens, you're going to start to notice that there are certain people that when you're around them, you're going to feel drained, or you're just going to feel not aligned, you just don't like being around them anymore. And like the way they speak, it just doesn't resonate with you. It doesn't align with you anymore. I mean, you're kind of gonna get annoyed or just exhausted talking and interacting with these kinds of people. And it's gonna be a time for, like, you're going to notice this on your own in April. Like people that you just don't like click with anymore. And what's going to happen is that you're going to slowly distance yourself from these people. And as you distance yourself from these unhealthy people, it could be coworkers, it could be like a cousin you always hang out with, a friend, but just, you know, as you grow in your spiritual journey, a lot of the times that people in our lives don't understand, they don't resonate, and it just creates this distance. But this distance is necessary in your spiritual growth, because you have to let go of the old, like, I don't want to say let go of the old. You have to let go of what no longer serves you so that you can invite what does serve you. So if you have a negative person in your life, or if you have a person in your life who's just always negative about the things that you're trying to do or manifest or trying to bring into your life, that's going to create a block. And in the month of April, you're going to see who these people are, and it's going to be really easy for you to just distance yourself, because as soon as you do, you're going to start to see the energy shift, and you're going to start to see yourself inviting and bringing and welcoming in so much more love into your life, which is something that you have been wanting to do. So in the month of April, it's going to be a lot of just love coming into your life, and you like getting rid of people, things, situations that no longer serve you. And it's going to be really easy for you to do it. It's just going to flow naturally. And something in April is going to have a very fast development, something that you've been wanting. Someone, it could be either one, but something or someone that you've been wanting. It's going to be a fast movement. So that's your reading. I hope that you enjoyed and it resonated with you and got you excited for April. If you guys want to book a more full, in-depth reading with me, you guys can do so on my website, and I'll leave that linked down below. Now, for everybody that picked card number 4, let's go ahead and see what's going on in April for you. Water flight, surrender frustration, answering the call, and justice. Okay, so in the month of April, it seems like there's gonna be there's something that's been weighing on your shoulders, something that has been just kind of eating you up and just creating this burden, heaviness on your shoulders. And in the month of April, this is gonna come into an end. Like, this is gonna dissolve from your shoulders. This weight, this burden that's been heavy on your chest is really gonna dissolve and like go away. There's going to be a resolution. There's going to be some kind of a justice or resolution or result. Something will be finalized in April, and something will be finalized in a way that serves you, and it's going to be a decision that you're really going to love, and it's going to bring with it a lot of blessings and abundance. And in the month of April, it seems as though there might be something on your chest that you're really going to get off. Like, you're really gonna get something off your chest that has been bothering you. There may be somebody that you've been meaning to talk to about something. There may be, like, you know, you probably had your feelings hurt by somebody, and you're finally going to speak about it in April. And when you do, you know, the time is now. It's okay. The message for you is to know that it's okay for you to talk about it. And it's just okay for you to like walk away from it. You know, it's served its time in your heart. You know, it just doesn't belong there anymore. Like, it's an emotion, it's this baggage that you're holding on to that doesn't belong there anymore. And in the month of April, it's really gonna go away, and you're really gonna find healing and closure. And as soon as you do, just love is gonna start to flourish in your life, and you're gonna be inviting so many people into your life, connections. You're gonna make a lot of loving connections in your life, and these connections are going to be more like opportunity related, where you're gonna get an opportunity out of these kinds of connections that you're gonna make. Like, it's gonna benefit you. Like, these connections are gonna benefit you, whether it's financially, career-wise, or, you know, in whatever type of way, it's gonna benefit you. And another thing that's gonna happen in the month of April is you're gonna really surrender all this frustration you've been carrying around with you. It's actually even started to affect your health. And in the month of April, it's really going to die down, and you're really going to push frustration away. Frustration doesn't open any doors. The key to resolving a dilemma or dissolving a block is to take a breath, center yourself, and regroup so you may approach the situation more calmly. So that's what's going to happen in the month of April, is you're really going to let go of all these bullshit emotions that you've just been holding on to, and like, you've been trying to work through it and process it and heal and stuff. You've been trying to do it on your own, and in the month of April, it just seems like the universe just heard you. The universe just saw all the energy that you're putting into it, and finally you're going to start to feel the shift. You're going to start to feel the healing. You're going to start to feel the lightness in your chest, in your heart, of releasing all of this frustration and baggage and hurt that you have had for a long time. So I hope that this gave you a little bit of clarity and made you excited for the month of April. If you want to book a full reading with me, go ahead and do so on my website. If you guys want to purchase any of my jewelry pieces or crystal pieces, I also make my own oil. I don't have the bottle with me right now, but I do make my own money oil. I've been requested so much to make it, and I finally have it up on my store right now. So if you guys are interested, go ahead and check it out. All the information is there, the ingredients, what the ingredients are for, how they've been charged, all that good stuff. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.